So in this video, I'm going to talk about what's really going on in the real estate market as of June 2022. Is it time to panic? Is the market going to crash? I will talk about that in a little bit. In the meantime, I want to give you some background on this video. First off, this is not my opinion. This is information I get from a highly respected Southern California housing analyst and a national provider of national real estate market information. They crunch the numbers, interview the experts, and read reports from multiple industry experts to give us precise information, not hearsay or someone's opinion without data. Even the news sometimes doesn't get it. The data says everything and talks pretty loud. With having 18 years in this business, I have seen multiple ups and downs, including the Great Recession, where I helped many families out of a tight situation after the market crashed. Hi, I'm Tom Olsewski with Coldwell Banker and Team Olsewski. So everywhere you look, experts are warning that we could be heading towards another recession. And based on how the stock market performed over the last week, we might already be there. An economic slowdown doesn't mean that homes are guaranteed to lose value. That's the one thing every homeowner and prospective homeowner needs to know. A recession doesn't equal a housing crisis, and recently we published an article and a video that goes way back in time to prove that home prices don't fall every time there's a recession. You will see a chart pop up in here with historical data that shows this. We want to know what will happen to the housing market if we have another recession. Well, I can't tell you when or even if a recession will take place. I can tell you history proves a recession doesn't equal a housing crisis. Here's a look at the last 6 recessions in this country, going all the way back to the 80s. And as the green shows, home prices actually appreciated in 4 of those recessions. I have been through all of these, both as a homeowner and as an agent. We bought our first home in the early 80s. I believe it was 1982. There were only 2 when we saw home price depreciation, and it happened first in the early 90s when the impact was minimal, but what everyone remembers was the housing crash in 2008, when homes lost nearly 50% of their value in our area. Since home values actually climbed in most of those recessions, history proves a recession doesn't mean home prices will fall. So if you're looking to make a move, let's connect. I keep a pulse on what's happening in the market and in our area so you can feel confident in your decision to buy or sell a home. So I didn't want this video to be too long, so stay tuned for another more detailed market update video with the data. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and remember, it's important who you work with.